You might have heard the motto, move fast and break things. And I love that motto, except when we apply it to human beings. Suddenly, it clings very bad. We have become slaves of technology, whereas we should be using technology as tools for ourselves.
What is our optimistic future where soft robotics are enhancing?
So I'm going to throw this out. I'll throw this out to start.
So this hoof is solving that problem without a single sensor.
What if we had reliable ways of designing technology benefiting mental health rather than creating the problems that we see today?
I always look at how much time I spend in doing certain tasks and how effectively I manage to do those tasks in time.
If you want to be really, really efficient, you have to spend time like scheduling and monitoring your time.
Everything should become a service, because once we start paying for things, a different type of care will be put into the design and the outcomes, and as service users, we'll have a bigger say.